In this video, I will be sharing top best 5 rice cooker in 2025, detailing product features and revealing which ones I consider the best. I will count down from the 5th ranked rice cooker to the top choice. If you want to check the prices of each rice cooker, be sure to check the links in the description. Number 5. Toshiba Rice Cooker. The Toshiba 3-cup capacity rice cooker is a compact yet powerful kitchen tool designed to make meal prep easier. Equipped with 8 programmable cooking functions, it offers flexibility for a variety of grains and dishes like white rice, oatmeal, brown rice, and even cake. Its advanced moisture-sensing technology ensures perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time by adjusting the temperature and cooking time as needed. The ultra-thick, non-stick inner pot is durable and heat-conductive, infused with Binchotan carbon for even cooking. With its easy-to-use LCD display, keep warm function, and delay timer, this rice cooker is perfect for kitchens looking for convenience and versatility. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that makes meal prep easy for the whole family. With an 8-cup cook capacity, it's perfect for making rice, whole grains, hot cereals, and even steaming vegetables, seafood, or eggs. Its one-touch pre-programmed settings allow you to cook white rice, whole grains, or hot cereal with ease. The steam rinse basket adds extra convenience, doubling as a colander for rinsing grains or steaming food while your rice cooks. The nonstick pot ensures easy cleaning, making this a great tool for quick, healthy, one-pot meals. Number 3. Black Decker Rice Cooker. The Black Decker 16-cup rice cooker offers a large 16-cup capacity, perfect for cooking big meals or saving leftovers. Its versatility extends beyond rice with the included steaming basket, allowing you to prepare healthy vegetables, fish, and more. The removable non-stick cooking bowl makes cleanup easy, while the tempered glass lid ensures you can monitor the cooking process. With automatic keep warm functionality, your rice stays hot and ready to serve long after it's done cooking. The rice cooker also features 2 heat settings and indicator lights for effortless operation in meal preparation. Number 2. Aroma Rice Cooker. The Aroma One-Touch Rice Cooker is a compact and versatile kitchen gadget that delivers great performance at an affordable price. It effortlessly cooks 2 to 6 cups of rice with a one-touch operation, making it user-friendly for everyone, from beginners to seasoned cooks. With its automatic keep warm function, you can enjoy perfectly cooked, fluffy rice without the hassle. What sets this rice cooker apart is its versatility, allowing you to prepare soups, chili, and even pancakes. The nonstick inner pot makes cleanup a breeze, while the tempered glass lid lets you monitor the cooking process easily. Number 1. Zojirushi NSLGC05XB Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi rice cooker offers a premium experience with its versatile cooking functions and advanced technology. Whether you're cooking white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, or even steel-cut oatmeal, this rice cooker ensures even heating with its triple heater system. Its compact design makes it perfect for smaller kitchens, and the retractable cord and removable steam vent cap enhance convenience. One of its standout features is the keep warm function, which maintains fluffy, perfectly cooked rice without overcooking or drying out. The high-quality nonstick inner pot is easy to clean, and the detachable lid helps prevent messy overflows. For anyone looking for a reliable and versatile rice cooker, the Zojirushi is an excellent long-term investment, especially for students or small households. Let me know in the comments which rice cooker is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.